So for this question, it asks you to find the principal unit normal vector of the curve at t equal 2. So t of time equal r prime of t over the square root of r prime of t, the magnitude, and then the n is the prime of tangent unit vector over the magnitude. So there's an easy way to find this by sketching out the curve. I will show you. Now let's find a tangent unit vector. So r prime of t will be I minus 6t squared of j. Now you can find r prime at 2. You should get I minus 6 over 4j. Now you can find the magnitude of r prime of 2. You should get the square root of 1 squared plus 6 over 4 squared. You get root of 3.25. Now you can find a t, that's unit tangent vector at 2, equal root of r prime of 2 divided by the magnitude, which gives you 1 negative 6 over 4 over root 3.25. Then your unit vector, tangent vector at time equal 2 is 1 over root 3.25 and negative 6 over 4 root 3.25. Now, the easier way for you to find the unit normal vector is by looking at the graph. So if you graph r of t, you should get a graph looking like this. And at time equal 2, it's right here. Your unit tangent vector, or your unit tangent vector goes this way, because it's tangent to the curves. So it goes down this way. Positive x and negative y, so it goes to the right and it goes down. And your principal unit normal vector is always perpendicular to the tangent normal vector, and it always go inward into the curves. So it always go inside the curve. So this is your normal vector right here. As you can see, it's perpendicular, and it's the opposite of the tangent unit vector. So it should be 6 over 4 root 3.25, 1 over root 3.25. So this is your normal tangent vector, normal unit vector. As you can see here, it goes inward into the curves, and it's perpendicular to the tangent vector. So it goes to the right and it goes up, so it should be positive and positive.